Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Cadillac CTS Premium Group all-wheel drive coupe, stock number Z7400XX. Only 47,000 miles, and this CTS comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black diamond in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6 years, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. This CTS Coupe seats 4, leather interior, not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Free of dents or dings. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Get only 47,000 miles. Wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large display screen for radio. Navigation. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. And power moonroof control. Under the hood, this CTS has a 3.6 liter V6, 318 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information about this CTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.